Hello guys, here Crypto Stitch, and I'm gonna play ZEUS right now, and it's the first ZEUS compilation. So it's like this one. You're gonna make this road. Wait, just a sec. There you go. I think you need to just like that, like to build like a city, but it's ZEUS with I'm just gonna cut this off. So, what I'm gonna do is to make something awesome. It's like a city building and stuff like that. You're dying. You're fine right there. Half of it. Oh crap. That. It's so awesome, like, it's really cool. And you can just roam around, like, half of it is an olive tree. There we go. Let me just go find a lot of business you can make here. That's cool. I think it would help enough. So I'm just gonna delete this part.
I am Demeter. Worship me, and fertile fields will stretch out before you.
Ooh, shabby. That's Demeter, god of food. I'm lost. I need money. What is this over here? Game save. This is cool because it's gonna automatically save your work. This is wrong. I made wrong things. Just gonna delete that part. There we go. Let's go down here so we can make a road right here. So there's so many different there's a sanctuary. This, by the way, this is open sandbox. So I'm decided to put a road like here. I don't know why, but I just want to put it right here. Alright, just do it. So I'm just gonna make like a road here, and road there, down, and connect right here. So the grapevine and all that stuff would put it here. Also, I'm just gonna put something else here, there, There you go. So let's just make something that they can eat. There you go. Also on olive trees. Just half of it. So I think there's no popular, I don't know how to talk, that people who can live with this one. Just gonna make a line here individually. I don't care. Put it right there. Here. Just gonna follow that line. There you go. So we're gonna build home. There you go. Here, 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 here. Oops. Some plots are too far. So they live there. And there. Oops. Maybe like this. I think I'm gonna go like there. There. So we have 60, 70, 84, 88. Sounds 100 people. Yeah. So I'm just gonna delete this road because it's not equal. It goes here.
I am Demeter.
Shut
Worship
up.
me, and fertile fields will stretch out before you.
No problem. Just gonna connect right here. There's this one. Good. So we're gonna continue building houses. There. It's gonna be some fun because I don't know. It's gonna be awesome. It's perfect here, so I don't care. So I think there you go. I'm gonna make some water. And there you go, this is my map. So I'm just gonna build something. There's some water and stuff right there. Wow. There you go. I need a fountain so they can drink. So guys, hope you enjoyed this episode. Just tell me if you did enjoy, and just comment below if you want more ZEUS. And see you guys next time. Bye.